Holy mackerel.
No, these are Oka Okas. Which will pay you, really. But that's 2 harvests worth of Oka
Yeah.
Oka, which means you're about to have to replant them.
Yeah. Oh,
That needs replant.
yeah. It's fine though. I always have spares. And this is why. So, where's the thing that I unlocked then?
Is it not? Oh,
There it is, the refinery link. That is what I, and then that's the other thing that I unlocked, I guess. So, let's go
fly a kite.
quickly do some harvesting of,
Organs.
no,
Oh.
fruit and veg and stuff.
Got my damn hopes up.
So why do I need a refinery?
A refinery, a incinerator.
Incinerator.
Because that's the only way to get certain achievements.
Oh, thanks.
Is to incinerate a elder chicken thing and a chickadee or whatever it's called. Chicklet.
I am not the Brotherhood thing in Fable. I keep forgetting what they're called. I need to play those games again soon. I love those games.
Well, you
Why
have
couldn't
them.
they have released them on
Steam?
Steam before? Why doesn't someone release them on Steam?
Because I don't think anybody actually owns the rights to them anymore.
I believe someone bought it, they just...
TBA.
Mm,
Because Lionhead went under
miss you, Lionhead.
after Fable Heroes was a flop.
Yeah, that killed them.
To be fair, I did look once lay my hands upon Peter Molyneux's housing document.
You did, didn't you?
I used to work for a bank in a special mortgage centre. Thrilling, I know. And I placed my rubber little mittens upon not only my boss's personal details and address,
20.
but Peter Molyneux's personal details.
For those who don't know who Peter Molyneux is, he was the head of Lionhead Studios.
But if you didn't know that, we don't really want you on this channel.
No! Don't say that.
I'm only kidding. To be fair, Fable is a bit before a lot of these kids' time.
Mm.
When I was playing it when I was a kid, on the original Xbox, where every 15 meters you went, you had a 5-minute loading screen.
I would stream it, but I've got a shit ton of backlog to stream. So, might just record it. Might be a bloody long series though.
Well, once our little man goes away to school, start school in September, we will be able to vastly accelerate the recording
Yeah.
and whatnot, because you'll be able to start doing it during the day
See,
as well.
this is the thing. The reason why we don't release 2 videos a day is because we literally just don't have the time to record. And I know it's like... I should be, because, you know, I wouldn't mind it being a job or whatever.
Yeah, maybe not the best thing to be aiming for at the minute.
But I'm not aiming for that at the minute, that's what I mean. I'm just doing it for the fun.
Keeps us busy when we've got nothing else going on.
But what I'm saying is, I wouldn't mind it being a job in the future.
You should feed the Gordo up, so it's got the big eyes like it's about to explode,
No.
so it constantly looks surprised.
No.
I'll get a boom one and feed it up so it looks constantly surprised. And have it just on the inside of your gate, so when people come in they're like, No?
Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not in it for the money. I don't think I've ever been in it for the money, because I literally started recording. So before I even started recording, I was like, yeah, I'm not going to get any views on anything I do.
Maybe you should become a psychic. You seem to be a lot better at that.
Yeah, true. Uh, so you gave me less deep sea brine.
Yeah, but he's doing it
Oh,
again.
he's doing more. Oh.
Now I'm gonna do another pump.
Oh, that is useful then. But it's still only giving me one deep sea brine.
It's called deep brine.
Whatever.
Because there is no longer a sea here.
Got a little sign and everything. Teehee.
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna gather up plots.
Vegetable master.
No.
Vegetables.
No.
Vegetables.
No more vegetables.
You need to gather the vegetables
No.
to feed the slimes because they've been eating while you've been sleeping. I know.
I just did it.
Well, this is what farming is like. Like the same job over and over again until
You want
somebody
to add
dies.
something useful?
Auto harvest.
Auto harvest. That would be fantastic. Also, then people wouldn't lose out on things because they're dared to go out and explore.
Yeah, but then it removed a lot of the farming aspect of it.
But this farming aspect is more tedium when trying to get stuff done.
Oh, just remind me which Minecraft mod you've been playing?
Farmdo Valley?
Farmdo
I think
Valley.
that's what it's
We
called.
also have Stardew
It's like-
Valley.
It's the one that the Yogscast and stuff have been playing.
You have been playing Tedium almost constantly.
Yeah, but it is different. This hurts my fingers.
Use the keyboard then.
No.
I think you're full on rad plots.
Yeah, I am. I get full quite often. That's what I mean by their output is amazing.
You could just say that the greedy folks. That would also work. You may want to check your pinks as well. I think that's wrong. No, like,
That takes 50 out.
just take all of them.
I can't take all of them.
Alright, you can't then. You suck. You suck, James.
I'm gonna
Stole
sell.
your wallet.
I'm gonna sell most of this stuff at the minute anyway.
You really need to get one of those little toy bombs. Chuck it in there.
I'm hoping I'm gonna get a lot of money out of the stuff I've got. So.
Do you not want to save the pink blocks?
I am gonna say is I'm gonna go drop them off and
But-
then. What?
The rats. Otherwise they'll just fizzle out and you won't get to actually have them. You suck. Stole your wallet.
Let's go south. That is not the door.
I really need to stop referencing Silent Hills 2 CE edition.
It was the best though. I loved that animation.
Oh, your thing's out. Your Oka Oka farm. It's expired.
Never mind. I'll fix it later.
Ooh, only 20, they're well
You
bound.
didn't get to finish it. That's because I sell them a lot. I sold everything yesterday, hence why everything is down except for Quantum.
Pull.
Oh, Puddle went up. I guess I didn't sell as much Puddle yesterday.
Pull
That
takes a
sounds
lot
so
longer to
weird.
digest.
Jeez. I really am pulling stuff, aren't
Because you've slept so much.
I?
You weren't so gosh darned lazy.
Oops. Because they'll just get sucked back up.
Bunny doo 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 doo. Didn't you drop one? No?
Ow. Stop
This
going
really
under
needs
me!
This really needs a plot harvester.
Yeah.
So tricky to
They
get to them.
cuddle. Oh no.
You can't. It's gonna die.
It's so embarrassing. Did I fix it?
I think it's dead.
No! I will save it.
If you stand
I
on
will
the
save
far
it.
side of the pond, you could maybe pull it across.
I'll save it, don't worry. I'll save it. Where'd it go? Where'd it?
It's trying so hard.
Yeah, this thing here needs a plot harvester definitely because it's
It could be like a plot skimmer, which is basically just like an arm
Yeah.
that sweeps them up.
because it's a massive pain in the patootie. Because you suck them up. That and the water will deplete over time if you keep sucking it up.
I suppose it's the payout for something that you don't have to constantly feed.
Mm. I don't think I can buy anything yet, can
Maybe. Yeah. Advanced slime toys.
I? Ooh, shame I've got some money. So let's see. Rubber ducky, crystal ball, a stuffed chicken. They're gonna pretend to murder it. That's kind of. So a slime's gonna randomly spout a hand and start.
They can both solve and not solve it. Because Schrodinger's cat, that's that whole thing. Quantum physics relies on the concept of when viewing it
Yes,
determines the outcome.
I know. Shut up. No one cares.
It's important.
It's not. That's mine. No one's having that. Oh.
Just
You
check with
guys
the-
want it?
Maybe you should give it to the Gordo.
There you go. Oh my gosh. Are they happy about it?
I think they're happy about it.
Did they want it? Did they...
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, they're happy
Careful, it
about
might
it.
pop you. It squeaked!
They'll be doubly happy about it because they're cats as well. They're not
Oh,
it. Okay, enough squeaking yourself.
Every time they do an update, this game just gets more and more cute. Every time. Every time. So we finally got to play with some of the slimes. Stop that.
You made them excited, what do you expect?
No way I'm picking them up yet. Oh, jeez.
Did you really? Perfect, really. Alright.
Sometimes I'm good at it, sometimes I'm not.
Are you just gonna buy like all the slime toys then?
Don't tempt me.
One in each pen.
Dunno. Did you see how much the next one cost?
I don't know. Oh yeah, it was like 6250. Yeah. You need over 6,000. Not over 9,000, it was 6,000. I need a beverage.
So do I. Tim, all the shops are shut because I fancy something different tasting.
I've got something different tasting for you.
I drink a lot of cordial and it gets boring real fast.
I've got Pepsi.
No! Sorry, little dude. I guess I got it. Are you not happy with your Doki?
Yeah.
Whoa,
Is it-
whoa, whoa.
Things are going on now. Yeah?
So cute!
I think this is basically what they're basing their whole business model on for this game. If they can make it unbelievably cute, when it gets to
Everything died.
when it gets to full release, they'll be able to sell, you know,
Bye bye.
they'll be able to sell slime.
Well, they're all gone. I'm guessing they both ran out before they The
Are you not going
fruit.
to put a cubery tree back?
Mm, right. Might as well
Or is it a cubery bush?
It's a tree. There is an achievement for getting alpha on your ranch, but I'm pretty sure that means you'd have to take down all this lot. It's
Alpha what?
alpha trees. Alpha trees?
Pogo, mint mango, cubery, and phase lemon.
Yeesh. No, it was before the phase lemon was even. What am I doing?
You're harvesting oka okas.
I don't want to do that. I need to do that.
Not quite as good this time.
It gets fast and then.
Yeah, I know.
Did that? Yeah! Shook it.
Booms really need a woman. Squeaky toy.
Yeah, they do.
But then again, you could put the light in there and have light up.
The line? Wait, what just happened?
You
Oh,
accidentally extra plotted because it pumped out a couple more. Move with the rest up.
What
Oh, no,
light?
but good lord, they're not eating many of them,
What
are they?
light?
There is a slime toy which is a light,
Oh,
which I imagine is
Okay,
useful for
then.
phosphors.
yeah.
As Largos, you may be able to put 2 toys in. And doubly appease them.
Good point. Well, we'll see what. Oh. Don't do it. It was my new last.
Imagine a Largo Gordo.
I don't know, some of them are pretty.
I imagine it would have like 2 faces and that look like they were screaming. You know?
They're still squeaking it.
But you can't. You haven't got a mint mango tree. No.
No, but I have a mint mango in one of these over there. So it's fine.
Good.
Told you I had backups! So, I'll do more farming for money next time. So, pink slime's like that. Rock slime's like a big rock. Tabby's like that. Color slime. Rock slimes. Let's go give them that.
It looks so happy.
It looks like a slime itself.
Everything kind of looks like a slime because everything in this game is round. I've got the feeling that Bloomin' B kind of looks like Bloomin' Ellie from Borderlands 2. I don't know. I'm not sure if the side because of blue. Nope, there they go.
They don't seem to be exploding.
You've given them a music box as well.
I can't be in here with them! No.
I could have boom
I
chimes
think I've given them a music box.
without them killing me.
No, I haven't. No, again. No, they've got one.
Now they're super happy. They've got
Oh, they do still explode.
but rarer,
Oh.
I'm guessing.
No, it's just that they all exploded at like once.
Yeah. Again, you could put a nightlight in there and just cheer them all up as well. It's like they have 2 toys, one for the phosphor.
I can't tell if they like that one.
I think they do because they do keep jumping on it.
Should we go do one more for those guys? The chicken. The expensive chicken.
Expensive chicken.
It is the chicken. So, we are going to wrap this episode up in a moment. And by the time you come back, there's probably going to be loads of this stuff all over the place.
It looks so old.
It looks like, I think is it supposed to be a rooster maybe?
Yeah, it's just a stuffed
Nah,
chicken.
just a chicken.
I guess it's maybe meant to look like an old chicken. So they don't feel so bad when they murderize it.
I don't think they care, they're cannibals.
They're not cannibals. The favourite time may be determined by what they were. What they were first. And these were all
They are
pissed.
smiling and seem calmer though.
Yeah, I think you've made them happy again.
Is that the chicken speaking? It is! The chicken goes like a really high pitched quack. So, I wonder what the one for the crystal was then. Did I just not see it? We never went to check the apiary. Should we go do that quickly?
No.
Oh, the crystal bomb. But I can tell her what goes to it.
Very well. So we're well over.
I know.
We've gone past half an hour and start pushing towards an hour now. It took
There's
me
a
like
lot of wandering and stuff you can put
took me
on.
like 2.5 hours to do the finale of Mass Effect this morning.
Yeah, we finished Mass Effect.
Started at like 9 o'clock. Didn't finish editing last night's videos until 12:30. Which, obviously for like professionals and stuff, that's like a really short amount of time. But for a guy that doesn't know what he's doing, he's fumbling around on Windows Movie Maker.
You're not doing too bad of a job.
Honey, and Rosewax and Hexacomb.
Awesome.
You can't get out that way.
Oh no, because they did the whole... They added the, you can only go this far. Wait, there is a way to get out. Do I really
Yeah,
have to...
don't you have to go through where that big door to the Quantums were?
No, that just goes to the quantums.
Yeah, we can go out
Let's
2
go up
different
here.
ways. Oh,
There we go.
I did not know this was here.
I do a lot of exploring
I haven't played this in forever.
while waiting for stuff to grow.
You've been really struggling with the waiting today, haven't you?
Well, there's a difference. I'm recording and...
That is an open pod.
Okay, that's all.
Because every time you get within range, for some reason it redoes the animation for opening it. Despite the fact it doesn't spit anything out.
Is there a treasure pod in here? I couldn't answer.
Possibly. But if there is, I wouldn't recommend opening it when you've got full inventory.
No. That's alright. Whoosh. And we're back home. So, thank you all for watching. If you've liked it, please remember to leave a like, comment or subscribe. And we will see you in the next episode. Bye! Which I do intend to do because at the current moment I'm really loving the toys and want to build more stuff for you. So hopefully I'll be able to unlock the higher tiers and stuff and get some of the more rare things. So bye guys!
Farewell, folks.